Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Dave here from Takumi's World International. So we're here to show you another accessory for Honda Rebel 500, which is the Diablo Custom Works Super Bomb slip-on. So what do we know about this exhaust? So you can see this is a two-tone. So this is a stainless steel with a black finish, and then this one is a CNC belay with a nice design on the tip, and then this one has a built-in DB killer inside. This is one of our bestseller exhaust for Rebel 500. This one also can fit with the CMX500 or the Rebel 300. So what are included in this set? We have the bracket, we have the clamp, and the rubber. So this exhaust, you don't need to modify anything. You'll just need to remove the stock exhaust and then replace it with this one. So it's easy to install. Later in this video, we will show you how to the sound test for this muffler. So that's it, guys. So if you have more questions, you can comment below. You can check our Facebook page as well, Takumi's World International. And don't forget to check our Instagram, Dave.Takumi. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.
Devil in the red.